Hey everybody, how's it going? Today with Route and Tech at Tom Harris, we're unboxing the LG Velvet 5G. It packs 128 gigs of storage that is expandable with microSD, a 4300 milliamp battery, 5G connectivity, and a Snapdragon 765G processor with 6 gigs of RAM. In the box, we've got your quick start guide from LG, a USB-A charging block, and a USB-A to C cable. This Illusion Sunset color is super unique and will definitely stand out in the crowd, although it is a bit of a fingerprint magnet. Speaking of fingerprints, it does have a biometric scanner built into the screen. This is a highly durable device that sports a couple different impressive ratings. First off, it has an IP68 rating, which means it has been tested to be dust tight and survives being submerged in water over 1 meter deep for up to 30 minutes. Second, it also meets 810G military specs, which means it can withstand high and low temperature, humidity, temperature shock, vibration, and drop shock. But for those of you that are more concerned with the selfie camera, it's also got 16 megapixels up front. And that's everything for now. Until next time.